Are you someone that has been finding it hard to install your hair? You don't have the energy and the strength to be sitting down in front of your mirror for 2 hours, laying down your frontal? Well, this video is for you because I have finally cracked the code. Another hair video. I'm on the roll, guys, like you know how we do. So if it's your first time stopping by, welcome. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel, check out my other videos, and if you're here to know how I laid down this bad boy, thank you for watching. So jumping right in, this is the hair I want to install. It's a frontal body wave wig, and you'll be needing a styling hair foam and hair wrap, hair wax, and a toothbrush or a comb. You want to make sure that your wig has an elastic band to make it secure at the back. Then you just like tame your baby hairs. So right now I'm just brushing up my baby hairs, like getting it out of the way. I don't have much. I really don't have much front hair, as you can see. I have a very big forehead. So I'm just like taming what I have so it doesn't get in the way. Okay, yes, and I'm putting on the wig. I put that on too forward. I wouldn't drag it back a bit. I like to bring my frontal forward because I don't want to touch my baby hairs, if that makes sense. And I'm just adjusting the cap on my head so that I can see the vision. Alright, so now I'm just going to put some of that hairstyling foam on the cap of my hair wax. I'm going to be using this comb, and I'm just going to use this to like take away all the flyaways and like brush the hair away from my face. I'm also going to be using this to style my baby hairs. You see that the first step I go into is to style my baby hairs because I'm not trying to glue down this hair. Honestly, I've not been gluing down my wigs for a while, and I've just been using this method and it's been working for me. Like if I have somewhere to go to quickly for a couple of hours and I don't want to put glue on my forehead or my head, then I just do this method. But this method tends to work better with newer frontals. Like I tried it with my old frontal and it didn't work so great. So yeah, I hope you like this video. Okay, so right now I'm just styling my baby hairs. I'm not a professional hairstylist, guys. I'm just someone that likes to wear frontal and likes to look good sometimes. So I'm giving you guys my easy, lazy way out of doing my frontal, basically, because I don't want to lay my hair every day, and this is like something I do frequently and it seems to work. So I am sharing this tea with you guys. After laying down my edges, I'm going to go in with the hair wrap, and I'm just going to place this around the perimeter of my head to further like lay down the edges. I'm going to leave this on for like 5 to 10 minutes until it's kind of dry, and I'm going to take it out and you guys are going to see how it looks. You also want to make sure that it's very tight on your head so that you can properly lay down that. So I just wore my hair bonnet on top of that because I felt like I was going to do my makeup, but this part you don't have to do it. So now I'm taking it off, obviously, and I'm going to remove the hair wrap, and you guys are going to see what I mean by it's laid. Can you guys see? So now for extra security, I just take my got2b glued hair gel, and this is the gel, and I'm just going to apply that on the edges to further secure down my edges because I want this to last a while. So I'm just going to put that, and then I'm going to go back in with the hair wrap and wrap it again for another 5 to 10 minutes. And that's it. Basically, that's all you need to do. again. But like, this is what has been working for me lately, and this is literally how it's not that secure on your hair, but then again it's not lifting. As you can see, it's not lifting, and this would give you a good like 3-4 hours if you just have somewhere to be real quick. Actually, I feel like it can even last longer than that. I haven't tried wearing this for like longer than 3 hours. Actually, 4 hours is the highest I've worn this before. But like, I've been wearing this wig for the last like 3-4 days. I have not been gluing it down, and I am very content with how it looks. So if you guys enjoyed this video and watching me install it, let me know in the comment section. I'm about to go beat my face and I'll show you guys the finished look. So if you want to see the finished look,